Like this.
Hey, Mark.
Hello.
This is Mark.
Hello.
I'm West. West Goes Wandering.
Should I tell them where we are?
No.
Okay, well, we're not at the Genoa bar,
Stand
Nevada's
there
oldest.
super awkwardly and don't tell them anything.
What's the difference between a thirst parlor and a bar?
I don't know what.
I don't know. Let's go find out.
Jesus.
Better get back to work.
Yeah, you better get back to work, Blake.
Thanks for calling and telling me all the fun stuff you guys are doing. Can't wait to see this video you guys are putting together.
I can't
My
wait for you to see
expectations are
it.
low.
Well, raise your expectations a little bit. I'm getting popular. I almost broke 100 subscribers, dude.
Something. I know, dude. You're getting big time. You're getting too big for us. I appreciate you even calling and saying what's up.
I might be famous here real soon.
Oh, dude, I know it. I know it. You're like Mrs. Beast.
Blake, what happened to your face?
What's wrong with it?
You have a
I think it
glorious
looks nice.
face
See, this
beard.
is
You're such a hat guy.
You're such a hat guy.
Such a hat guy.
We're
See,
hat guys
I
now.
like that you just come to exploit your friends for your recreational gain.
Welcome to Nerd Tib, shortwave radio version.
It's not shortwave, it's ham.
Sorry, ham radio. I don't see any pigs, so it's named inappropriately. Lucifer and Nixifer. Yin and yang. Hunting squirrels and rattlesnakes together.
Is this on the other side of those big bar of trees?
Yeah.
Yeah, you see her through there?
What did you do? Video idea. Have a video idea.